Natural birth control. Birth control is the use of practices, medications, or devices to prevent pregnancy. Natural methods of birth control, or natural family planning, are a type of birth control that relies on observations about the woman's body and menstrual cycle. Natural methods of birth control include fertility-awareness methods. How is the calendar method? With the calendar method, you need to keep a record of the length of each menstrual cycle in order to determine when you are fertile. You can use an ordinary calendar. Circle day 1 of each cycle, which first day of your period. Count the total number of days in each cycle. How does the natural family planning work? 2 methods of natural family planning are currently taught. The first is the mucus or ovulation method. In this method, the days just before and just after ovulation are determined by checking the woman's cervical mucus. When a woman is most likely to become pregnant, the cervical mucus is stretchy, clear and slick. How do you do family planning? If a woman wants to prevent pregnancy using this family planning method, then she should avoid intercourse or use a backup birth control method such as condoms during her fertile days, days 8-19. How effective is the natural family planning method? If 100 sexually active women don't use any contraception, 80 to 90 will become pregnant in a year. If used according to teaching and instructions, natural family planning methods are up to 99% effective, depending on which method is used. How effective is the rhythm method at preventing pregnancy? To use the rhythm method, record the length of 6 to 12 of your menstrual cycles. Determine the length of your shortest menstrual cycle. Determine the length of your longest menstrual cycle. Plan sex carefully during fertile days. Update your calculations every month. What is the standard days method? The standard days method, SDM, is a new method of natural family planning, NFP, developed by the Institute for Reproductive Health at Georgetown University. SDM is 95% effective when used correctly. The 95% means that 5 out of 100 women practicing this method correctly for 1 year will get pregnant. What is the rhythm method to prevent pregnancy? Today, that's known as periodic abstinence, also called the rhythm method. Abstinence means completely avoiding sex, the only 100% effective way to prevent pregnancy. But many couples practice periodic abstinence as birth control, meaning they abstain from sex during the time when the woman is fertile. What is the ovulation method? The Billings ovulation method, BOM, is a method which women use to monitor their fertility, by identifying when they are fertile and when they are infertile during each ovarian, menstrual cycle. What is natural family planning Catholic? In accordance with the Church's teachings regarding sexual behavior, NFP excludes the use of other methods of birth control, which it refers to as artificial contraception. Periodic abstinence is deemed moral by the Church for avoiding or postponing pregnancy for just reasons. What is the method of family planning? There are different methods of contraception, including long-acting reversible contraception, such as an implant, or an intrauterine device. Long-acting reversible contraception, such as an implant, or an intrauterine device. Hormonal contraception such as contraceptive pills, the pill, the injection and vaginal rings. Barriers methods, such as condoms and diaphragms. Fertility awareness. What is withdrawal method? The withdrawal method of contraception, also known as coitus interruptus, is the practice of withdrawing the penis from the vagina and away from the woman's external genitals before ejaculation to prevent pregnancy. The goal of the withdrawal method is to prevent sperm from entering the vagina. What is cervical mucus method? The cervical mucus method, also called the ovulation method and the Billings ovulation method, is a type of natural family planning also known as fertility awareness based methods. The cervical mucus method is based on careful observation of mucus patterns during the course of your menstrual cycle. What is the fertility awareness method? Fertility awareness, also called natural family planning or rhythm method, is a way to predict fertile and infertile times in your cycle. FAM is based on body signs, which change during each menstrual cycle in response to the hormones that cause ovulation, the release of an egg. What is safe period? What is safe period? It is the period when supposedly a woman has the least chance of getting pregnant. Women go through monthly changes in their body in the name of menstrual cycle. A monthly cycle has two components: proliferating phase, this is the period which begins soon after the menstrual bleeding starts. What are the symptoms used in natural family planning? Symptoms-based family planning methods rely on identifying physical symptoms that are signs that a woman may be in her fertile window. They involve tracking a woman's temperature and/or mucus secretions. These methods include the 2-day method, the symptothermal method, the ovulation method, and the Billings method. To know, please subscribe our channel. Please comment, like and share this video.